If your body still looks narrow, your arms are not a problem. You're training the wrong muscles. The V-taper comes from two things: wider shoulders and bigger lats. Here's a lazy way to build both. Number 1. Understand what actually creates a V-taper. It's not your abs, it's not your arms, it's two things: shoulder width and lat development. The ratio between your shoulders and your waist is what creates the taper. Wide shoulders make your waist look smaller. Developed lats flare your back outward. Together they create a V-shape that creates every body look aesthetic. If you're not prioritizing these two things, you're leaving your best visual gains on the table. Lazy logic: you don't need to be looking big to look aesthetic, you just need the right proportions. Number 2. Build your shoulders with these three movements. Shoulder press first. This is your primary shoulder builder. Second is lateral raises. This is what adds the width that creates a taper from the front. And lastly is rear delt flies. This builds the back of your shoulder that creates a 3D look to complete every angle. Number 3. Build your lats with chin-ups and rows. Chin-ups are non-negotiable for your V-taper. They pull your lats down and out, creating that flare that makes your back look wide. If you can't do one yet, start with negatives. Jump to the top and lower yourself slowly. Build from there. Add a dumbbell row. Elbows pulling down and back. This builds a thickness that fills out your back and makes the taper even more dramatic. Lazy logic: your V-taper lives in your back. Most guys only train what they can see in the mirror. Number 4. Shrink your waist without touching it. You don't need to train your waist directly. You need to lean out slightly. Small calorie deficit, high protein meals, walk 10,000 steps daily. As your waist tightens and your shoulders grow, the V-taper appears automatically. Number 5. Progressive overload every single session. None of this works if the weight isn't going up. Add a rep, add a weight, do something more than last time. The V-taper isn't complicated, it's just rarely trained. And join my school program. Subscribe. Let's hit 100K before the end of 2026.